Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to safely transfer money from PayPal to bank account. So let's get started. And first things first, the safest way to do this is to add a bank account into your PayPal account or just link it. And yeah, so the first thing that you would need to do is go into paypal.com and make sure you're logged in, just like so. And then from here, what you want to do is go into the wallet section at the navigation bar right here. And once you're here, then you would be able to link a bank by clicking on link a bank or just link a card if you'd want to, and then you'd be seeing your link banks and cards at the bottom right here, just below your balance, your PayPal balance right here. So you can click on link a bank and it would look like this. You would need to provide your bank name, bank code, and account number, and you can also go link a card right here if you'd want to right here. And then the next one is that you would need to go into home once you are done linking your bank accounts right here. And then from here, you can click on transfer funds. And then from here, you should be able to transfer it to your bank. All you have to do is just provide how much you would want to transfer and then select your bank account right here. But in my case, I don't have a PayPal balance. That is why it is saying this one. But you should be able to when you have a PayPal balance, and then you would be able to select a choices. So you can either go with no fee, with no transfer fee, but you would have to wait a few days, or you could go for a fee, but you would receive it within minutes. So those are your options, and that is basically how you do it here in PayPal. Thank you for watching.